Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nurania Airawatana Bunga Faza from Primary School Teacher Education Department, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will show you how to make BatikJumputan. Let's get started.
First of all, we need to prepare all the necessary tools and materials. The first one is old white t-shirt. The second is clothing dye. This time I use dye with one text brand and I use powder color. The third is rubber. Fourth, we need a pen with a diameter sufficient to soak the t-shirt we are going to color. Fifth, we need a soup spoon. Sixth, we also need a stove. And lastly, we need water. Now we will start on the process of making BatikJumputan. First, we spread the t-shirt. Next, take the rubber and wrap it around the t-shirt one by one. Wrap the rubber until the t-shirt look like a caterpillar. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Then mix the water with the cloth dye and cook it until it boils. Dip a t-shirt in a solution of water and cloth dye and boil for 3 minutes. And voila! Dry the t-shirt, empty the rubber and dry the t-shirt in the sun to dry. And tada! Here's the result. Beautiful and also fashionable. Bye bye. See you in another video.